Konnichiwa, Tiffany this. Welcome back to my channel, and today I really wanted to share with you guys how I went from having this hair to this. So I really wanted to share with you guys some of the products that really helped me with my thinning hair. Whenever I stress out, I lose my hair in clumps. And 2 years ago, as a 22-year-old, I was so self-conscious and freaking out that I was losing my hair, and I was trying to find every single product possible to help maintain my hair and hopefully grow it back. And I've narrowed it down to some of my favorite products that have really helped me grow my hair, not only in volume but length and shininess. It's so healthy now, and I really wanted to share some of these products with you guys if you guys are going through the same exact thing. So let's get right on into the video. Okay, out of any of the products that I mentioned in this video, this is the holy grail. So if you're gonna buy anything, it's this guy. This is the Lush Swan Wen Hua hair treatment. It's a nutritious mask to improve the strength, shine, and condition of your hair and scalp. So I was recommended this product by a Lush employee after a year of just trying different products that didn't work on my hair. And she absolutely understood what my hair was going through. She had the same kind of condition, and I fell in love. After using about 2 or 3 jars, I can visibly see that my hair was just growing. It was getting thicker, and when I pulled my hair back in a ponytail, it was so much more voluminous. And this is absolutely a lifesaver when it comes to really just growing back your hair. I leave it in my hair once a week for 20 minutes to an hour while watching Netflix. I wash it out in the shower, and my hair stays soft the entire week. So definitely worth a try. Now for shampoo and conditioner, if you guys have thinning hair or thin hair in general, you guys understand how hard it is to get your hair to look voluminous and full. And this shampoo and conditioner duo, I absolutely love. This is the Living Proof Restore Conditioner and Shampoo. It reverses dryness and damage for visibly healthier hair. And when my hair was thin, I still had very soft hair, but I could just never get it to be fuller. When I curled my hair, you could definitely see some like straggly pieces. And now using this, I can definitely see that it's a lot fuller. When I curl my hair, it just looks so much more voluminous. So please give this a try. It actually also smells amazing. Every single product I'm about to mention smells absolutely amazing and does amazing things for very thin hair. The next product I have here, you guys could pick up at any drugstore. This is the Maui Moisture Rich Vanilla Bean Creamy Cocoa Butter Lush Cacao Nut Oil. Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Hair Butter for frizzy, unruly hair. I really like using this as a leave-in conditioner for the ends of my hair. First off, once again, it just smells absolutely amazing, so it really makes me happy. But I find that even when I use heat styling tools, this really does help with just damage control on your ends, and it's super easy to use, and it's something that I could just throw in my hair every time I shower and leave in for like 3 to 5 minutes while I'm in the shower, and then just rinsing it off and having beautiful repaired hair. And for those of you guys who are having problems with shine, or your hair is just looking a little bit dull, this product isn't really much for hair growth, but it really just makes my hair look a lot healthier. And this is the Chérie Hair Oil. I've mentioned it several times. It is a product from Japan, but I will leave a link down below so you guys can pick it up. It's super easy to just run the product in your hands and then through the ends of your hair to make it super shiny and super multi-dimensional. And last but not least, I wanted to talk about a supplement that I've been taking for the last year now to help with my hair. This is the Nature's Bounty Extra Strength Hair, Skin, and Nails Argan Oil Infused Health and Beauty Pill. I take this every single day, and this has really helped with just the strength of my hair. I have very thin strands, so this really just strengthens it and keeps it really strong and healthy. So if you guys have a chance, they do sell it at Costco and on Amazon, so I really do love this. It's super easy to take, and it keeps your hair looking healthy and soft. So that is all the products that I've been using in the last year to really grow my hair back to the healthy the state that it was in before my hair started thinning. If you guys are going through this, I know how hard it is to find good products that aren't just a scam. So please check out these products if you guys have a chance. I'll put all of them in the bio down below. It's really just helped me grow my hair and also just bring back some of the confidence I had lost when I had really thin hair. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for the support. As always, make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see in my next videos. I can't wait to create more content for you guys. And in the meantime, if you guys like this video, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload every single week. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mata ne! Mwah!